willing? Do I groove you? Is it thrilling? Do I soothe you? Tell the truth now. Do I move you? I am loose now. Where so bad? Does it give you satisfaction if you